How to verify Revolt account. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. So what you're going to do is you're going to open our Revolt over here and you're going to open your profile by selecting on your profile on the top left. After that, simply scroll down and navigate to our account option at the bottom. Then after reaching that point, you should be redirected or you should be able to see now here in the account settings or section that you have the personal details. Simply select the personal details option and there should be a prompt inside of that that would ask you to verify your identity. Now I can't show you that because it's not letting us screen record, but basically it will ask you to submit some valid IDs in which you will be able to utilize to validate your ID. An additional help or additional guide here, we could show you the Revolt help guide, wherein it's basically the same option, but with text options over here. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.